Yes, what's going on? So on our way to the mechanic because having fixed my drive shaft, prop shaft, cardan shaft, whatever you want to call it, with a JXB bush, it's highlighted another problem. Probably can't hear it. It's like a really light hum, and I feel it like by the pedals, especially at high speed. So I thought it was a bearing. Came to check it out last week, a couple of days before I was going to Festival of Speed, and it wasn't the bearing. The bearings are all good. Then I'm getting a little bit of a hop now and again, and it almost feels like the gearbox, but it isn't the gearbox because the gearbox changing real smooth. So through a bit of research and so on, it seems to be the transfer case that might be, which is a common thing on these 955 Cayennes, and to be honest, 957s and 958s. So I don't think it's ever had a gearbox, diffs, transfer case fluid change. So we're gonna do that right now. So I'm just going over to the garage, Pro Mod. So if you're in Southwest London, Kingston, Wimbledon area, make sure you check him out. He's actually quality. He knows what he's talking about. I trust him, and yeah, so we're gonna work on that, and hopefully that gets rid of the problem.
But now I learn to earn 'cause I'm righteous. I feel great.
Yeah, as you can see there, Michael said it's a bit dark, so that's the front transfer case fluid. Probably never been done because it is really quite dark. So we filled that one up and we torqued it up. This is the gearbox oil, so that's quite clearly been done recently or not too long ago, because it still has that red color, which is promising to see. However, we did have a little bit of a hop, so I think at this point it was probably transfer case, that little hop. But you know, since we're here and we've got all the fluids, we'll just empty them all out and change them. This Civic Type R turned up halfway through us working. And I say us, Michael, I was just standing there with a camera. But yeah, quite cool. Little import boy. You can see there by the reg, and obviously we didn't get that shape over in the UK. Quite cool. Championship white, just looks so good on these. On the Advans, little Garage Midnight sticker there. So, but yeah, anyway, back onto it. Rear diff, also looking quite dark. So quite handy that, you know, we came prepared to do all of them. So front diff, rear diff, transfer case and gearbox. So all done now and getting ready to go. Let's see how we get on.
So just so that car's done, feels smoother. I literally just driven out, so you can't really see. I'm gonna take it for a drive of the weekend. It's Friday night tonight, so I'm gonna take it for a drive this weekend, countryside, see how it behaves, see how it drives, and then go from there really. But yeah, feels good. Yeah, nice shift into second and third. Yeah, nice. It's feeling really good, feeling really smooth.
So this was in the summer. A few months later now it's winter, and I still got that hum. So let's really dig into it because it's got louder.
So let's see if it makes that noise. Obviously, gotta go over a certain speed for it to make the noise, but let's see if we can hear it. And now it's 1st of December, I think, today. Yeah, I think, no, 30th of November or 1st of December, one of the two, I don't even know. Anyway, I'm on my way to Pro Mod to have a look again. Hopefully now that it's got so loud, it means that there is more play, and we will actually be able to work it out. Anyway, on our way back to Pro Mod now, because really I need to stop being lazy about it and actually fix it. I know I don't really do that many miles on it, but when I do, it's a family trip and it's probably out into the countryside, out of London, so it is motorway speeds for a bit of it to get out of London. And yeah, it's not ideal. I don't think a wheel's gonna fall off, at least not yet anyway, but it's a loud noise, and I just want the car to be all right, to be honest. and then have confidence in giving it the beans, which I don't really have right now.
Since our last visit, Promo's had a bit of a revamp, so it's all yellow and black inside, and they've always got something spicy, so they've been doing sort of full resto on that E30, this engine rebuild for this Mark 1 convertible. Another cool car, this EK, pretty cool. Kind of Fast and Furious vibes, even though I know it's the hatch and not the saloon, but you know what I'm saying. But yeah, this place is always busy, someone going on, revving something. But we got the Cayenne on the ramp just to check it out and work out definitely what it is. Michael's got a pretty cool office over here with some 3D printing if he needs bits and bobs. And up there, cool Rotoform t-shirt I gave him, just posted it up. But yeah, so front left bearing, we've diagnosed it, so off we go home and to order the part. This dealership sometimes got random stuff, and then this exhaust place has always got that Scooby in there. Anyway, front bearing and spindle arrived. Nono's checking it out, come to check it out with me, dropping it off with Michael. They're going to do it at some point today. And again, this RX-7, like I said, always something spicy going on. So we thought, let's walk to the local high street, but nah, wasn't the nicest of roads. So we thought, yeah, that's maybe not. This is what Nono thought of that road. Yep. So we decided to wait for a bus instead of walking down this long ass road with loads of traffic and nothing to do and nothing to look at. So jumped on the bus. Nono's a London boy and has been all his life. So buses, underground trains, they're not into him. Finally, off to the local high street, gonna go and be our best white girls and go and get a probably Starbucks or something, because then he gets his Frappuccino. He gets spoiled now and again, he's a spoiled boy. Anyway, it's now dark, which means Michael's giving me a call and said, come get your car, it's done. Again, got on a bus because I like walking that road, especially at night, even worse. So, dropped off, car's ready. Let's get in and let's go. Noise is definitely gone. It's like night and day, excuse the pun because it's dark, but yeah, so car's definitely fixed. I'm super happy with it. Went out for the weekend and guess what?
Look, just had it fixed and just did the first drive, and now look.
Yeah, it don't rain, but it pours. On the back of the first drive, this happened. So click on the link and go and watch what happened to this, because I've done a video on it, a real short video. So anyway, thanks for watching. Take it easy. Peace.